Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel online learning platform OLP. SPSC past paper of lecturer computer science BPS 17 26th of January 2006. The question paper have total 50 question. Each have 2 marks with correct one options. So the negative will result a 0.5 of deduction and the correct answer will reward you plus 2 point. So this is the questions with the answers, and this answer is verified by the official SPSC website with the answer keys. So this is the solution solve past paper of 2006 computer science lecturer BPS 17, and the paper is clear to you. It is not blur, picture is not blur. So here the paper is and 50 questions. Share with other. Thank you.